So here we are at Trier Group. Trier Group houses both society stores and Trier out-of-home advertising. We'll be meeting Tejal Ketia to find out what she thinks of the new Caddy. Oh, by the way, Tejal is Tushar Ketia's wife. You all know him. Hey, Tejal.
Hey!
Young lady.
Good, how are you? You too, what a surprise.
So what do you think of the space?
Oh, it's amazing. In fact, we've just got some urgent delivery. And I managed to get the seats out and here it goes. I'm just getting the car loaded up.
That seat was inside
Yes,
there.
that seat was inside.
Oh, of course, it's seven-seater.
Very convenient. I just got the seats out and now it's being loaded. So it's amazing.
And you still have space on the back seat. You can put them like four people there.
I do. Actually, I could give you a ride.
Yeah, why don't you have a ride on this car?
Let's go.
I'd love to have a ride in this.
It hasn't jerked, so I still remember how to drive the manual. And this has a very smooth clutch. You know, there are certain cars the clutch is very hard.
It's nice and smooth.
It is, it's amazing.
And what I'm seeing is, you know, I know you've got lots of nieces and nephews, so maybe
I do. In fact, that's one of the reasons we were considering to get a bigger car.
Yeah.
Because we normally spend our weekends with the kids.
Yeah.
So getting everybody together in one car has always been a challenge. So this is amazing with the extra seats at the back.
But then during the week now, you can put them down and do your immediate emergency delivery.
That's what amazed me right now, that, you know, I wanted to do a quick delivery and I could just pull out the seats and get all my stuff in there.
Can you imagine that?
That was amazing.
And still carry some people, eh?
Yes, absolutely. With the local talent that we have, I'm glad this is a Kenyan car.
It is, yes. You know, now that they're making them in Kenya, it's raised nice. In fact, we should look for a bad road to go on, eh? Don't you think so?
Yes, in fact, that's one of the roads. We'll have a rough road on our way out.
On the way out. Oh,
yes.
Excellent.
So we'll probably even test it out, how smooth the car
how
can be.
smooth can be on a rough road.
And especially with the load that we have.
You know, going over the bump, you can see. You know, I've seen so many people going over bumps like that and they have to do diagonal.
In fact, we have to do that with our cars as well because the bumps are quite high and our cars are very low, so we end up damaging them. So let's see how this car is going to be.
And I'm thinking you're going to be happier in a VW.
Let's hope so.
Look at that. It's so comfortable. Bumpy road, it's got rocks jutting out and it's really, really smooth. The confidence you have now, you don't have to think about going over the bump, you know, just go over it.
No, I'm really amazed. I'm really happy with this car.
Yeah, so it's gone, it's done. We're through.
Now, I know I can take it to any of the roads in Nairobi.
Yeah,
if it has to go anywhere, we don't have to worry. Because some of the times I have to switch cars dependent on where the delivery is happening.
And it does nice central locking system. It's, you know, very nice sound system. Very nice radio, by the way.
And then, in fact, I heard it's also got those baby seat lockups as well. So you can actually lock your seats.
Exactly, you can lock your seats.
This car is actually good. It serves me for my family as well as work, 2 in 1.
Can you imagine
Very
that?
good deal.
Yep, and 0 mileage.
I was quite amazed with that. It's actually a 0 mileage car. It's such a good value.
And comes with warranty for 3 years. And then you see it's DT Dobby, 70 years of support. Can't beat that.
I'm really thinking about this.
I'm glad you are. Now we're going to find out what TK thinks.
Oh, yes. Well, he's the one to pay for the car, so it's very important for him to agree.